President Draupadi Murmu just made history, the first Indian head of a state to ever visit Angola when the diplomatic ties began 40 years ago. She received a ceremonial welcome with the Guard of Honor in Luanda, held bilateral talks with President João Lourenço, and signed MOUs on fisheries, aquaculture, and consular cooperation. Why does this matter? Angola supplies over 90% of India's African crude oil imports, with bilateral trade hitting $4.19 billion. The 6-day tour, including Botswana, expands India's Africa outreach in energy, defense, and digital tech during Angola's 50th independence anniversary. India is betting big on Africa, but can energy deals translate into lasting strategic partnership? For more such updates, please do follow Unread One.